Welcome to the heart of American innovation, the Honda factory, where cars and ATVs come to life through the magic of robotics. Picture this: massive robotic arms moving in perfect harmony with lasers and sensors working seamlessly to create the machines we love to drive. It's a dance of precision and efficiency. First, let's talk about the car assembly line. This is where the magic begins. Robots handle the heavy lifting, welding, and intricate tasks that require the utmost accuracy. They can install engines, fix doors, and even apply that perfect coat of paint. It's like watching an orchestra play a symphony. Every move is meticulously planned and executed. But it's not just about brute strength. These robots are smart. They use AI to detect any errors or irregularities in real time, ensuring each car that rolls off the line meets Honda's high standards. Now let's shift gears to ATV assembly. Here, you'll see a blend of robotics and human craftsmanship. Robots handle the repetitive tasks like frame welding and tire installation, while skilled technicians focus on the finer details, like wiring and final inspections. This combination ensures that each ATV is robust, reliable, and ready for any adventure. One of the coolest aspects of this factory is the flexibility. It's not just cars or ATVs being built in isolation. The same robotic systems can switch between different models and functions with minimal downtime. This adaptability keeps Honda ahead of the game, ready to meet market demands swiftly. Now you might be wondering, what about the people? While robots handle the heavy lifting, humans are still at the core of innovation. Engineers, designers, and technicians work tirelessly behind the scenes to program these robots and ensure everything runs smoothly. So, why does all this matter? Because it means you get a product that's crafted with precision, care, and cutting-edge technology. It's the reason why Honda vehicles are known for their reliability and performance. Next time you fire up your Honda car or ATV, you'll know a little more about the incredible journey it took from raw materials to your driveway. Thanks for joining me on this inside look at Honda's American factory. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of robotics and automotive excellence, hit that like button and subscribe for more.